Today I'm gonna show you how to change Samsung phone language from any language to English. So simply open your settings. This method will work any Android and any Samsung phone. So open your settings, go to search option, search set to language. Okay, I'm just select general management to language. Okay, press on to language, then I'm get change language option, like I'm select Australian language to select United States, press on apply. Okay, or if you want to add any language, press on to add language, then you get your mother language and just select any one. So that's it.